Okay, so this is where the fun really starts, because now it's time to get Python onto your computer. And there are actually quite a lot of different ways of doing this. If you have a Mac, it's going to already be installed, and if you want to have a look and see how to run it, just go to the terminal in your Mac and type the command Python, and that will run Python for you. But I want to ensure that we have the same version of Python so that you can follow exactly what I'm doing, and I can be confident that that's all going to work for you. And you're not going to get, unexpected errors, which then mean you're trying to, figure that out and spend time sorting out your Python environment rather than actually learning to code. So what I'm suggesting is that you download a Python distribution called Anaconda. It's a really popular distribution. It's particularly popular for data scientists and people that work in machine learning because it installs all of the right packages, all of the right Python packages and modules for that. But it's a really good distribution of Python, and I think it'll work well for what we're trying to do, and it'll make your life easier when it comes to following the code that I'm writing as we go through it line by line. So what you need to do is go to anaconda.com and follow the instructions that you're going to see on the screen now. On the Anaconda homepage, click on Download at the top right-hand corner, then click Download again, which will take you to this page. So this now brings up the thorny issue of Python 2 and Python 3. This course is a Python 3 course. We're not going to be covering Python 2, but it's important that you know that Python 2 exists. There aren't actually that many differences between Python 2 and Python 3, and the world has been moving across to Python 3 for quite a while now. But there are some applications that are only supported in Python 2, but those aren't applications that will affect you. And in fact, most things are now supported in Python 3. And so there's no reason for people really not to change over to Python 3. Python 2 isn't going to be supported for much longer. So if you're coming to this, as someone that hasn't learned Python before, and then it's definitely worth your while learning Python 3 rather than Python 2, but just know that Python 2 exists and that there are some differences. As I said, this course is going to be in Python 3, so download the Python 3 version. Don't worry if the version that you're seeing isn't 3.7. As long as it starts with a 3, then that will be fine. So choose whichever version of Python 3 is offered to you. It'll take a while to download because it's quite a big file. Then run the installation program. Now, because it was such a large file, the installation program does take a little while to run. This is what mine looks like. It looks similar to this for you if you're on a Mac. It'll be different on other systems. This does take a while to install, and I've sped this up quite a lot. But assuming you get no errors during this process, once it's finished, you should have Anaconda and Python on your system. So that's it. Python should now be installed on your computer. In the next video, we're going to take a closer look at Anaconda and specifically the IDE Spider. Now, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and I'm going to explain all about those in the next video.